Sometimes the world just happens. While we're happily unaware of the momentum that's going on behind the scenes. At Downer, we're not often seen in the limelight, which is fine by us. We're focused on helping our customers make people's lives better every single day. We're a leading provider of integrated services in Australia and New Zealand. Exploring new technologies and innovative approaches, while providing our customers and the community with services that they rely on. We don't simply deliver services. We manage our customers' assets and build relationships that create success. Harnessing digital technologies to enhance our end-to-end service capabilities, while supporting our communities. At Downer, we're looking ahead, doing what we do best, so you can get on with life.